Hi all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Mandisa. I hope you are well. Today we are talking copyright. We'll look at what it is, the duration of it, the types of works it covers, and we'll also clear up a few myths surrounding copyright. Let me just drop my disclaimer here. I am by no means a lawyer, but I have taken a few law classes and done well in them, got A's to be exact, and I can read and understand. Now, when we look at copyright, we must first take it back a bit to its umbrella term, which is intellectual property rights. So the term intellectual property refers to works that are created by humans, creations of the human mind. I'm very excited to see where this will develop now that we have artificial intelligence in our midst. But for now, at present, intellectual property and its related rights refer to creations of the mind and rights surrounding that. So copyright is just one of those. You have trademarks, trade secrets, patents, and a few others. Those are also other rights that covered certain types of works that the human mind creates. So copyright, the right to copy, that is essentially what it is. It is an exclusive right given to the original creator and owner of a work for them to copy it, and they can give permissions. They're the only persons that can give permission to others who wish to copy it or use it. So again, the right to copy. Your original owner, the original creator, you have the right to copy. But there are certain, when you hear the word terms and conditions surrounding this. So in order for copyright to subsist within a work, it must be fully expressed in a tangible format. In order for it to exist, it must be fully expressed, not partially, not a summary. It must be fully expressed in order for copyright to subsist in it, meaning in order for the rights, the legal rights, to take place within that work. Full expression does not look at the quality of the work, as in saying you pen a song and it doesn't make the Billboard, it doesn't chart at #1. It does not look at it that way. Once you fully express it, that is all you need as the original author of the work. If it never plays on radio, it does not mean that copyright will not subsist there. Please understand, it must be fully expressed in a tangible format. This tangible format could be in the form of expressing it on paper and, let's say, mailing it to yourself, or typing it out on Microsoft Word and sending the email to yourself. So when you have that in order, you're the original creator of the work, you fully express it, copyright automatically exists. No, you do not need to register for copyright to exist. There's absolutely no need to register. Some people think that is the case, but it is not. When you are sure that you're the owner, you're sure that you're the original creator, and you fully express it, you automatically have certain economic and moral rights. Those include the right to copy, the right to issue copies, the right to perform, of course, the right to broadcast it, and the right to make adaptations of the work. And these types of works covered under the Copyright Act are literary, artistic, musical, and dramatic works, also song recordings, films, cable programs and broadcasts, and typographical arrangements. Now, for the literary, artistic, musical, and dramatic works, I always remember it because I say it sounds like lamb, but it isn't. So lamd, L-A-M-D, sounds weird. Lamb with a D is how I always remember it. Just to explain typographical arrangements, this looks at the layout, the mapping of, let's say, a magazine. You know, you have different shaped pictures and the flow of things within the magazine. That is what is meant by typographical arrangements. So those are the type of works that the Copyright Act covers. Things like processes of an invention, those are covered under patents. Trademarks look at more common logos or just the name of a brand. Now to the duration of copyright. So we're going to tackle this in 3 parts. One, when it comes to the author of literary, artistic, musical, and dramatic works, copyright spans the duration of the author's life to 50 years after his or her death. That is in Barbados. Now, it's very important for you to know what the act says in your specific country as it relates to copyright and as it relates to the duration of it. And if you are looking to register in another person's country, it's important that you know how it works in that particular territory. When it comes to some recordings and films and broadcast, the duration of copyright is 50 years after the particular work has been made available to be public and if it has been published. As relates to typographical arrangements, when that particular book or magazine has been published and made available to the public again, the copyright spans for 25 years. So those are very important to know. Literary, artistic, musical works, dramatic works, Lamb with a D, is 50 years after the author has died. Some recordings, films, broadcasts, what have you, in that category, there are 50 years only, and typographical arrangements are 25 years. In other places, it may be 75. In other places, it may be less. Watching this and you're from somewhere else other than Barbados, I would love for you to comment if you know the duration of copyright within your country, so that we have that information out there and be able to share, because I am very interested to know about what is happening each and everywhere. So this will be part 1 to the explanation of copyright. In the next video, I will do stuff like the moral and related rights, and also the infringement and how it is viewed, and what are your rights if you notice that someone has infringed on your work. I want to thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.